posts. So you should be hearing my voice now. I'm going to go ahead and plop this up here and just say hello, everybody. I pre-recorded this before this live video. So I'm going to go ahead and play what I recorded earlier on sharing when I was sharing how you schedule those Facebook page posts. So you guys enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and switch the screen over here and enjoy this little training. Hello, this is Katie Acosta in Greeley, Colorado. I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about scheduling your posts on your Facebook business page. All right, before I do that, just want to let you know, I'm absolutely enjoying my summer and my time with my kids this summer. Drop me a comment and let me know, what are you doing to enjoy yourself lately? I'm going to share my screen with you while you're doing that. Drop your comment and let me know what you're doing for fun. Okay, life is about balance. Sometimes you got to have a little fun, okay? All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you and just show you right here, scheduling your Facebook page posts, okay? So I'm going to go to my Facebook page and just real quick, this is actually where I created that page, that cover sheet, scheduling Facebook page posts right here in Canva, free little trinket. So that's a little extra tidbit for you guys today. All right, so here's my Facebook page and Peak International. And just before we get started, let me just go to the page here and I'll show you. Make sure that you go ahead and like my page and follow. So when you follow, hover over this follow button and click to see first, and then you can turn on all the notifications as well. That way you don't miss anything. All right, so here's what we're doing today. Scheduling Facebook page posts. So why would you want to do that? Okay, why would you even want to schedule those Facebook page posts? Well, you're creating an audience on Facebook. That is the purpose of social media, and when you have a business, a home-based business or whatever, is to create your audience, build that relationship with them, so that they get to know you, like you, and even trust you. So that way when you have something of value to give to them, you have an audience of people that you are there to help. You know, people have pains and problems and things in their life and their business, and whatever your niche is, you want to create an atmosphere where people will come to you for you to be able to solve their problems. That's the definition of an entrepreneur, someone who has solutions to people's problems in whatever niche that might be. So you want to build that audience. To build that audience, you have to be interacting with them on a daily basis. But here's the thing. Sometimes we want to spend time with our kids. Sometimes we have a family vacation, or we have doctor's appointments, or sometimes we just need other things in our life besides just all the time on the computer, right? So we need a way to be able to schedule all of those posts so that they're still going out, we're still meeting the needs of our audience, but then we're not constantly there in front of the computer all the time, okay? That's a big reason to do that. That way, and you're also being consistent. You know, consistency is huge. So I'm going to show you where I just found this. You know, there's other ways to be able to schedule posts and things as well that are paid. So like there's Post Planner, there's Hootsuite, there's some other ones as well. And you can do that, you know, Hootsuite, and the one that's not coming to my mind right at the moment, it seems like it starts maybe a B. Anyways, those are free, have free versions as well. But you can also do a paid version. Post Planner is paid. It's pretty cheap per month. You pay it on a yearly basis though. So those are some other ideas, but this is a free way to schedule your posts. And you can see here that I have 7 scheduled posts right here. And so you can go into Canva or whatever. This is Canva. You can create a design, upload your pictures, put text on them, you know, put your little signature mark on it. you know, whether it's your website or the name of your company or whatever, you can put that on your, excuse me, you can put that on your picture quote or your picture or whatever you're going to create so that you can upload it onto your Facebook page, okay? So if you just come in here to settings, okay, looking at settings, you're going to go to, no, I'm sorry, that was something else. You're going to go to publishing tools. Okay, so publishing tools. Under settings, there's a whole gob of things you can do. So go through and check out that settings button. Okay, so what you're doing here is publishing tools. So looking at your publishing tools, and you can publish posts from here. You can just create a post to publish now, or you can go to scheduled posts, which is where you'll see those 7 posts that I have scheduled, 1 per day for the next week. You can also, if you have drafts that you've been working on, you can go in and see those there. Posts that might be expiring, I don't put an expiration date on my posts. Some of you might, but you can see those there. Okay, so we're going to talk about specifically scheduled posts right now. And if you want to schedule a post, you just go to create right here. Okay, so you're going to create a post, and then you search for an image, and I created an image before I got on so that I could show you how I do that. Just go, it's mine specifically saved under downloads, and I'm going to upload this picture to be able to share in 8 days from now. Okay, and the title of this one is "The World is a Spammer and They're Hiding the Opt-Out Button." Okay, so then I'm going to share my little creative piece about this post right here, and you know, just the world is a spammer. What does that mean to you? And then I'll just continue to type in more information in there, or you know, however you want to do that. Generally, you want to try to have some kind of call to action in your posts. You know, maybe you don't do it every single time, but the majority of times you want to have some kind of call to action where you're asking people to like your page, you're asking them to do something, to comment, to go somewhere, so that you're kind of, you know, go visit your website, that kind of thing, so that you're always keeping them in the loop and web of things that you have going on in your world, because you're building that audience. You want them in your world and finding out more about you and what you're doing and building that know, like, and trust relationship. So I'll put some more stuff in there a little bit later. But what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to click schedule, and then I just click the date here. I want it to come out my next, so if I'm just scheduling 1 post a day. I'll post more things in there, but I want at least 1 thing to come out per day. So my next day is the 26th, and I have my posts come out at about 6 in the morning, Mountain Standard Time, and then I can just click schedule. And then here it is, right here, July 26th, it's coming out at, oops, I put 6 p.m., but you know what? We can do this, go in and edit. I meant to put that at 6 a.m. You might not be able to do that. You might not be able to change your time on there, guys. This is a good thing to know. Desktop preview, mobile preview, edit, remove schedule, reschedule. There we go, reschedule. So that's how you do if you mess up. Click around on different buttons till you find the right thing, right? Testing and trying out. That's what all entrepreneurs do. Okay, so I want this to be AM, so I'm going to click on that and then just hit the down arrow or the up arrow or whatever arrow, and it changes it for you. And then just click reschedule, and now it's in there for 6 a.m. Very good. All right, so I got to show you something I didn't even intend to show you. All right, so that is the way to schedule your posts. So my next scheduled post is going to come out, it looks tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So you guys can go in and look for that, look for my other posts. And remember, consistency building up that audience, keeping a continuous flow of things coming in front of your audience. The more you are in front of your audience, the better. The more they see you, the more they learn to know, like, and trust you. So very important. And then make sure that you're being consistent with it and that you're giving them some kind of call to action, something to do, to comment, to like, to share, to go to your website, to like your page, etc. So that's your call to action here. Make sure you go in and like my page on Facebook, and if you're watching on YouTube, I'll put a link down in the comments or down in the description where you can go straight to my Peak International Facebook page. And if you're watching here on Facebook, make sure you just click on the link to go to my page and like and follow, turn on those notifications, and go ahead and put down that comment. Don't forget, I said at the beginning, what are you doing to have some fun in your life right now? Go ahead and put that comment down there, and we will talk to you next time. You guys make it an amazing day. Bye-bye.